All right. So ladies and gentlemen, what we want to do is we want to find the GCF of this first. So to factor this, right, Trevor? To factor this, what we need to do is find the GCF. So first thing we need to do is determine what are our common elements, common factors. What terms factor into both of them? That could be numbers, and it could also be variables. So you look at the numbers first. And the first thing you look at the numbers are what do, could you give those back to Brandy? Back there, please. Brandy, there's your test, sorry. What do the two numbers share? What is the largest number that they share that divides into both of them? 5, right? So we're just going to write to the side, our GCF is equal to 5, because 5 is the largest number that evenly divides into 10 and 25. Then let's look at our variables. What is the largest variable, or a variable to the largest degree, that divides into both of our q and q squared? Well, the largest one is going to be q. Then, next step is you divide by your GCF. Okay? Now again, if you get stuck at this point, sometimes what I like to do is just rewrite them individually. 10q divided by 5q. Well, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Q divided by q is 1, so we're just going to leave it out. Then we have negative 25q squared, which you can rewrite as negative 25q times q, right? Yeah. You can write this factored out. Yeah. Divided by 5q. Negative 25 divided by 5 is negative 5. Q times q divided by q, only one set of the q's divide out each other. So therefore, we're still left with a q. Okay, so that is what we call one factor. But then we need to determine what is the other factor that we have to multiply by this to get our original answer. Yes? Because negative 25 q times q is the same thing as that, right? Q, so I divided it by 5q. Q divided out by q. But there's still a q left. So 5 divided by negative 25 is negative 5. And then there's still a q there.
So if the q were not to have little 2 on there, it wouldn't?
It would be like this one where it would just divide out. Okay? So now we look at what is going to be the other element, or the other factor. Well, the other factor is simply our GCF, which is 5q. So that is your final answer. Okay?